around here. I mean, around the hospital.
Yeah.
It's cheaper. He pays $1,200.
Oh wow.
Oh, that's too expensive. And that's just for the rent. That's not everything else. The
Utilities and all that
yeah.
stuff.
Oh, that's expensive. Been around here a long time. I don't even know what's over here.
They remodeled it from the plaza to the Cinemark, and then they tore all that stuff down, and they didn't remark his like establishments like they had the Nordstrom's, and then they didn't move it there.
Well, they put a revolving door on that place.
Oh.
Oh. That place is still there, that restaurant? That's where we went to eat when we went on the limo.
Yeah.
See how they knocked it down?
Oh yeah.
The parking lot? They should have left Cinemark.
Yeah.
And McDonald's. That McDonald's was the best thing. Well, they took Victoria's Secret out.
Oh yeah.
It was right there.
Do they have that like a barbecue like restaurant with the still or that Kansas City's, I forgot what it was, the barbecue place?
You mean the one by Walmart?
No, the one by here. There was a barbecue place.
Oh, I wonder if Topsy's is still there. Starbucks. Oh, there's your Apple.
Oh, yeah.
There's gonna be somebody in there? That's security.
Not sure.